Global equity markets started the day relatively softly, but they did manage to squeak out some gains towards the end of the trading session. The US Federal Reserve have been in the news over the past week or two and have been driving markets, with speculation mounting that they will introduce new measures to stimulate the US economy. However, media reports have suggested that they aren't ready to hit the trigger just yet. But over the past 24 hours, the minutes from the latest Federal Reserve Committee meeting have been released, and this does indicate that some of the committee members are ready to start stimulating the US economy. This would be seen to be positive for global share markets. The Kiwi dollar remains strong against most currencies, and on Wednesday morning is trading at 75.60 against the US dollar and 47.80 against the Great British Pound. The New Zealand wholesale interest rate market remains relatively subdued at the current time. This wasn't helped by the latest business confidence survey, which was released last week. This indicated that businesses are concerned about the economic outlook, about their own outlook, and also the ability for consumers to soak up any price increases. This would suggest that the New Zealand economy is still going through a relatively soft patch at the moment. This would also indicate that interest rates are likely to stay lower for longer. We continue to see the official cash rate staying at 3% until the early part of 2011, but from there we will only see marginal increases through that year. New Zealand lamb schedule prices remain strong at the current time. There are a couple of factors that are occurring in the global marketplace, and the first is that the UK and the EU market has seen a contraction in production. This is likely to continue to occur over the next year or two. Over in the US, production has been sliding for 5 years now, and this will have effect on the global supply market, which is currently very, very tight. On the demand side, the UK market is looking very strong, and prices are now at historic levels. In the short term, scheduled prices here in New Zealand should remain very strong. But as we do go through the season, it is likely we will see schedules slide back to last year levels as the New Zealand dollar really starts to impinge on local prices.